children, after that class with Ruby Miss, are you ready to learn a rhyme with me? Now, the rhyme is related to just what you saw. What did you learn right now? Yes, you learned the life cycle of a plant. From the seed to a plant, you saw the different stages. Yes, so would you like to learn a rhyme for this? The rhyme is very easy and very simple. So let's go and see what this rhyme is. The seed is very sad. It needs its 4 friends, which are sunlight. Second friend is water, which is the third friend, children. Guess? Soil. And the fourth one is air. So when sunlight, water, soil and air help the plant to grow, more or less of these 4 friends and the plant will never grow. Come on, repeat. Sunlight, water, soil and air help the plant to grow. More or less of these 4 friends and the plant will never grow. So, you know the wordings of the rhyme? Once more, we'll do it with action. Sunlight, water, soil and air. Come on. Sunlight, water, soil and air help the plant to grow. Help the plant to grow. More or less of these 4 friends. Of these 4 friends. And the plant will never grow. And the plant will never grow. Let's do it one continuous way. Okay? Sunlight, water, soil and air help the plant to grow. More or less of these 4 friends and the plant will never grow. So was it a lovely rhyme? Will you remember it? As now you know how to grow your very own plant. So children, after that rhyme, I have got something else for you. One color is going to come to class. Can you guess which color it is? Okay, now tell me which colors have come to class. Yes, you're right. 2 colors have come to class. Red and blue. And today which color is going to come to class? Take a guess. I am wearing that color. Yes, the color yellow has come to class. Which color has come to class? Yellow. Color yellow has come to class. Come to class. Come to class. Color yellow has come to class. Let's all say hello, color yellow. Hello. Now would you like to see and meet the color yellow friends? So let's go and see all the friends of color yellow. Color yellow. So which color has come to class today, children? The color yellow. Let's see the friends of color yellow. Sun. The sun is yellow in color. Wow, look at that pretty sunflower. It gets its name because it looks like the sun and it has the color also of the sun, which is yellow. Yummy corn, sweet corn. Don't you like eating sweet corn? And what is the color of the sweet corn? Yellow. This little duckling. What is the color of the duckling? Look at its feathers. They are yellow in color. A yolk of an egg is yellow in color. Yummy, yummy are lemons. What is the color of lemons? The color yellow. Turmeric, or as we know it as haldi, is yellow in color. Bananas. Don't you like eating them? And what is the color of the skin of the banana? It is yellow. These are tulips. These are flowers, and these flowers are yellow in color. They come in other colors also, but they also come in the color yellow. Which animal is this, children? Yes, it's a giraffe. And a giraffe is yellow in color, and it has got brown spots on it. Which insect is this? Bzzz. Yes, it's a little buzzing bee, and the bee is yellow in color. Bell peppers. When Mama makes pizzas or pastas, she uses this. And this vegetable or bell pepper comes in 3 colors, and one of the color is yellow, and here is a yellow bell pepper. Yummy sweet and sour pineapple. Don't you like this fruit? Yes, the color of this fruit, when you cut it from inside, it is yellow in color. This butterfly is having yellow color wings. This rose is yellow in color. The taxis, what we see running on the road, are always yellow and black. The top part is yellow in color. Cheese. Don't you like cheese? Yes, the cheese is yellow in color. Our school bus, when we all will start coming to school, and when we all will come to school in the bus, the color of a school bus is yellow, as you can see here. This rubber duck is yellow in color. This nice, soft, cuddly teddy bear is also yellow in color.
A rubber ducky and juicy melon. Yellow, yellow like the school bus. Come join in and sing with us. Sing with us. Yellow, yellow like the sun. The colour yellow is so much fun. Corn on the cob, sweet and yummy. Banana milkshake in my tummy. Yellow, yellow like the school bus. Come join in and sing with us. Sing with us.
Wow, that was really a full day, wasn't it? We started our day with the prayer and the rhymes and the songs. After which, Ruby teacher explained to you the life cycle of a plant. How from a tiny little seed, when you sow it in the soil, a small root or a shoot comes out, and then come out the leaves, and then the plant grows. And we also learned what is required to grow a plant. Soil or mud is the most important thing. But there are other 4 friends. There are other 3 friends. One of them is mud. So there are 4 friends. Yes or no? So all these 4 friends together help the plant to grow. We learnt it in the rhyme. After which color came to class? Yellow. And we saw and met all the friends of color yellow. And now it's time to say goodbye. But before that, let's say our prayers. So join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. At the end of the day, just bow and say, thank you, God, for my work and play. I tried to be good and I know that I should. That's my prayer at the end of the day. So children, have a nice day. Do your work well. Do not trouble your mummy and papa. And we'll see you back tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye.